So my beard is grown again, so it needs tidying up, and this is my second beard trim that I'm going to do at home. So if you see, my edges here is all grown, so I hate this, so I need to clean them up, all this around here as well, and maybe a little touch up on my beard and my mustache. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys now again how to trim your beard at home. So I'm gonna grab my wall seniors again. Again, I'm gonna click number 4 attachment on it. First, I'm gonna brush it down. It doesn't take much because I've only trimmed it for a couple of days ago, but still, it's nice to keep myself busy and trim my beard. It's number 4 done. I'm gonna bring my number 3 on now. It's number 3. I'm not going too low with number 3. If you see my movements here, like circle movements, I'm not going all the way, so I'm not making any steps or lines. This is number 2. And this is 1.5. Amazing. We'll do the same on this side now. I'm going to pick up number 3 now. I want to tell everyone again that who's watching these videos new. The reason we are doing downwards again, because we want to just a little tidy up. We don't want to take much off, because these clippers here, my beard is a lot longer than number 4, number 5. So we are doing downwards to make it look neater, so we're not taking much off. If you have a shorter beard, like number 2ish, and you want it shorter to number 1, you can just go against the grain all around, no problem at all. This was number 2, and this is 1.5 now. Right, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to tidy up the edges. Do be very gentle when you're doing the edges, because there's no guard on, so if you're mistakenly going in too much, you know, you might have to shave all your beard off, and you don't want to do that. Making sure my line is all nice and even. Perfect. Now it's time to do my moustache. Again, I'm going to brush it down and take the hairs on top of my comb. All these corners again might go into your mouth when you are eating. If you push your tongue in your corner lip here, it will be a lot easier. Now I'm going to touch my lips a little bit, and I need to make sure that I don't go too high. Just still on top of the lips, but a bit more tidier. Don't go too high, it won't look right. Make my line up and clean this up. Again, we need to make sure this line doesn't go low, because you won't like it. Just make sure you do it as high as possible. Just make sure your cheek is nice and clean. This will already make you feel a lot better. Same on this side. Yep. These edges here. What I'm going to do, like last time, just to grab my scissors, see if there's any sticking out on the sides. Just gonna just go around it. I'm not gonna take any length off with this. This is literally just to take the odd hairs off. All these parts, this is a great way of doing it. You can push your tongue in here like this, so you can cut it with scissors. So this way you don't have to go too short. If you do it with clippers, you might go too short, but this way you can take a little bit off, and then if you want more off, you can take a little bit more. Amazing. I'm all ready, nice and clean, feeling better, all good.